what we're doing for this particular project, we're doing everything as it relates to the river training, drains, every single thing to do with excavating. We are the ones that are responsible for it, along with material provided. Yeah, once you're into working long hours, this machine will work out for you because of its fuel efficiency and its speed. It will definitely, you'll definitely see your returns on that equipment quickly.
Our Caterpillar 320 GX model is an excavator that offers low fuel costs, low maintenance costs, and low price point. We achieve the lowest price point based on the features, the standard features that's required for the market, and eliminating the features that's not required for the market. So with that, the owner operating cost for the customer is less.
So what we do, initially we had to clear the site. It was literally like a forest. So we clear the entire site, or the section of the site that was left when we got the equipment. We also start to excavate for the road. Because of the type of soil, we have to excavate about 4 to 5 feet, and then we have to dump with river shingle. We also start doing some work in the river. We use this machine 10 hours every day from we got it. 6 days per week, we only have 1 day off. Right now we are probably at third service. We haven't had any major failure. So we have zero downtime with the machine since we own it. We only do routine maintenance, nothing outside of the norm.
So the biggest challenges in Jamaica now is resources, having the right products, having the right skilled labor to do this type of construction. One of the next challenges is competition. There's a lot of competition in the market, especially in construction. Cost escalation is also a challenge where cost of materials gone up. This is due to COVID. Post-COVID, we have seen logistics, freight costs going up, materials taking longer to get here, stuff like that. So it really impacts these projects.
What surprised us was the speed at which we were able to complete the task, because initially we were looking at the bucket size to see whether or not we had to upgrade the size. But even though the bucket size is where it's at, because the machine is so efficient and speed-wise, we end up doing a similar task with the same machine. What normally happens, normally would have to do a refueling like every other day. We're going 3 full days on a single tank of fuel. So we are, and we're operating, as I said, 10 hours per day. So we do 3 to 3.5 days before we refuel. So that's very, very efficient as far as we're concerned. But definitely we're saving money on the fuel costs. As I say, we have multiple equipment. So as I say, when this is our most efficient equipment, at the end of the day, we're going to be generating a lot more revenue than what we anticipated.
So one major feature of the 320 GX model is the smart mode. And that smart feature enables the machine to operate at low RPM when not needed, if you're doing in idle time or if you're doing small jobs, and ramps up when you need to move the major stuff, move major materials out of the way, stuff like that.
Yeah, only has been using smart mode from when we have the machine. And I guess that's one of the reasons we are having that kind of a fuel usage. So he has been using the smart mode consistently. It also allows the machine to operate at a little lower rev. So that's why we get that kind of a turnaround time. So we have a very good relationship with our Caterpillar dealer so far. As I said, they have been very friendly. They give us a lot of information and the stuff that we require. We still will be reaching out to them for some other additional items in the near future. Once we reach the end of the project, you're feeling an accomplishment. But when you're walking around with your family a couple of years from now, you can say, we were a part of that project, and this machine made that possible.